Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this Dodge Ram or Ram 1500. So it's Ram 1500 or Dodge Ram, whichever you know it by. You know, Ram become their own brand under the Dodge, but whatever, we're not there for that. We're here to replace this headlamp right here, and let's get started. So this clip right here we need to open, so we need to pull this right here, pull this up. You can use a clip puller to pull it, or you can use a flathead screwdriver, or if your hands are strong enough, just press and hold on the top like this and pull it up just like that. So you're gonna have one 10mm right here and another one all the way down there, that rusty one you see right there in the camera that's looking straight up at us. So one 10mm, another one down there that have to come out. You gotta take this off right here, and also this thing right here is zip tied, and if you might have a clip there to remove that, so just go ahead and remove that. And there's a 10mm on the inside that you need to remove. There's a 10mm that hold the bumper bracket right here. You need to remove that. It's right here. So when I remove it, I will show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the tool I use, and it's a 1/4" drive with a small extension and a 10mm socket. I will leave a link in the description for the tools I use as well. So this is a 10mm. I remove it. So what I did, I used this first, loosen it as much as I can, that I can use my hand to just take out the rest. And now we need to remove this right here, because we're trying to remove this lower piece right here. So this is what I use, and it is 8mm. All right. So once you do that, you can just pull down on it like that, because you have two studs on it. So you don't want to pull towards you, you want to pull down, like you want to go down that way, not out this way, down that way. And then you will get this loose, then you can work your way around. So once you work your way around, you will have the space to just hang this down there like that. Even though mine might fall off because I already have the other side out, as you can see, so mine might fall off. But if you're doing just one, which I'm doing both, but if you're doing just one and you have it like that, that's fine also. So we're gonna get a 10mm to take that out, and to take that out as well. And there it goes. If you're going to change both of them, then yeah, you need to take off both sides. But if you're going to change one, you don't need to take off both sides. So that's two, and the third one is so that's 1, 2, 3. We gotta get this one right here. So you can use a 10 millimeter because that is too tall to go down there. So use a 10 millimeter wrench. So once that is done right there, you wanna get that 10 millimeter that's straight down. So let's do that right now. And also what you can do is pull the bottom of the grill. You can take the grill off if you want, but you can just pull the bottom of the grill like this, just so your hand can go back there and take out the screw. Just like that. This is the rusty screw I was talking about. Now we gotta come in here. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. So you see that white clip right here? This one right here. You gotta push up on it. And that's gonna push and that will release the headlamp. So once you push up on that, release the headlamp. Now you can take it out. So now you can really squeeze this right here. Pull the red clip back first and then squeeze it. Squeeze right here. Out with the old. So guys, you know I like to be detailed. So this is the clip. Normally you see all down here is big and right here is small, so that will lock the headlamp and that will open the headlamp so you can take it out. This is what I'm telling you to squeeze right here. You want to squeeze this and pull it from the headlamp. This is the other one. You got to pull the red one back and then squeeze this right here. Alright guys, so let's put the headlamp back in the car or in the truck. By the way, this is an aftermarket headlamp, but I will leave a link in the description to where I get the headlamp to make sure. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can see for yourself. You just want to put them back just the way you take them out. Before you put back everything, just put the headlamp in right like this so it won't fall out. And then you want to test it to make sure everything works. So yeah, low beam, high beam, park lamp. Let me go ahead and turn the signal light on and see what happens there. All right, signal work, so that's good. So it's now to put it back in. I want to find the groove back here. All right. All right, so put it in and lock it. So now it's time to put this back right here. And this like this.
Yeah, because you said you were driving and then she started bubble. Yeah, everything got stiff. Yeah, because it ain't came so how long you all seen it out? Like that's it? Oh, got a big one right here too. I got one back there. Yeah, but I know she ain't.
Alright, so that's it. Let's tighten up all that first. So just a quick update on what we got going on. Put this, I tightened this already. That one down there, tightened that already. Put this part, tighten 1, 2, 3 already. And I locked this back. That white clip right there, I already locked it back already. So it's time for me to put on that that silver piece right there, even though I'm still waiting on the other side headlamp because they're about like what you see on the thumbnail. So I'm gonna put that part on. Let's do that. And you want to line up these 2 holes, put that back up in there. Line up your clips. And then tighten it back up, and then that's it. So guys, we finished. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. This is what the front look like. This side, I'm still waiting on the correct headlamp for that side, but this, what you see I did right here, it will work on either side, doesn't matter. So I just need to show one side, I complete one side. You guys see that. Peace out, see you next time.